Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to enable or disable editing in Google Sheets. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing who can edit your Google Sheets is essential, particularly if you're working on collaborative projects or want to safeguard your data from unintended changes. Imagine pouring hours into crafting an important document, only to have an accidental or unwanted edit disrupt your work. That's where understanding how to control editing permissions becomes invaluable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to secure your data from unwanted modifications, ensuring that only trusted individuals can make changes to your document. Ready to take control? Let's dive in. First things first, open the Google Sheet that you want to protect. This is where we start our journey to managing editing permissions. Once your sheet is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll spot the Share button, which is the key to controlling who can access and edit your document. Go ahead and click this button to open the sharing options. When the sharing dialog box appears, you'll see a section labeled General Access. This is a crucial area where you can notify the level of access for anyone who has the link to your sheet. To prevent others from making changes, you'll want to set this access to Viewer. Here's how you do it. Click on the drop-down menu next to General Access and select Viewer. By choosing Viewer, you effectively transform your document into a read-only file for anyone who has the link. This means they can still see all the valuable data and the intricate details, but they won't be able to alter anything. Now your Google Sheet is shielded from unauthorized edits. Only you and those specific individuals you grant permission to will have the ability to make changes. This is especially beneficial when you need to share important information while maintaining full control over its integrity. It provides you with peace of mind, knowing that no accidental changes will occur without your consent. In case you decide to allow editing again in the future, you can simply follow the same steps and change the access setting back to Editor. This flexibility allows you to adapt to different project needs while keeping your work secure. However, there might be times when you need even stricter control, and that wraps up our comprehensive guide on managing editing permissions in Google Sheets. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further assistance. Remember, keeping control over your digital workspace is vital in today's collaborative environments. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to enable or disable editing in Google Sheets. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.